Wonders what teeth grinding did to you? Well, if you're a severe teeth grinder, a long-term teeth grinder, your teeth could be like this. You see how flat the teeth are, the bite surface are, and also how short the front teeth are. And the bite incisal edge here and also the molars are all pretty flattened out due to the lateral left and right grinding. So enamels are all pretty much worn out. And compared to somebody who's a light, I'm not even a grinder, this is my teeth model. I'm more of a clencher. I clench occasionally. And you can see my incisal edges are fairly intact. My bite surface for the molars, you can see the peaks and valleys, so to speak, and you can see the cusp rises, and they're not flat.